What's up? What's up? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? What's up? This is Leo, this Ray, and brother Shaun. We're here today, and we're gonna show you all how to set up a brokerage account. And
Hey, folks, what's happening this evening? Come in, sit down, relax, put your feet up, and let's get some knowledge going.
yes. So with this thing about it, man, I don't want no one to be intimidated by getting into the market. The market is a way and a place where you make money. Okay. So if you're not in the market, you can't make money in the market. And in the market, there's so many ways to make money. So for between stocks, crypto, trading the bonds, mutual funds, indexes, and the variety of other things, you can make money in the market. But once again, if you're not in the market, you can't make that money. So what I want to do is brother Shaun and we're going to show you how to set up a brokerage account. It's very easy, man. They got many various brokerage accounts, but this particular one we're going to show you today is through the Wealth Standard Exchange. And through the Wealth Standard Exchange, it's exchange is set up by Dr. Chris Cole, who teaches trading inside the BWO. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. And brother Shaun and I may do another segment showing you how to do it from the, what you call it? TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade. From TD
Lord,
Ameritrade. Your signal fell out, brother?
yeah, man, this has been a crazy afternoon, but we're all good. Hey, question for you, man.
Yes.
The link that you sent, because I'm on my cell phone and having to do it like this, how are we going to work the link? So if I get to the link, I need the link in the chat possibly to take this on here. I just thought about that because when I went to my email to try to pull the link up, it pulls this back up.
Okay. Are you on your phone or are you on the computer?
I'm on the phone. I couldn't get the email. Let me see. Hold on here, brother. We might be in business. It took 10 minutes, but the email finally came through. So I'm going to jump off of here and jump on the computer.
Okay. So while brother Shaun is doing that, what you can do is go to the WSX. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it in the comment box. And once I put it in the comment box, you can click on this link. And once you click on this link, you can start setting up your WSX Pro. And I'm going to explain how to set that up. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Matter of fact, let me do that now so you can see what it looks like. There we go. And you all, this is very easy, man. Very easy. So that's why I want to show you how to do it. And then once you get in there, you can then learn how to start trading the market. And I got some other tips on that. So this is what it's going to look like. If you click on WSX inside the link, it should say WSXPro.com. And if you click on the link, which is my affiliate link, and this is once again, it's another way that you can make money as well, man. I want to show you ways that you can make money in the market as well as you can bring other people that you know that may possibly been curious about stocks or may already be into the stock market or into crypto, and you can give them this link and they can come inside the Wealth Standard and create their own account like I'm going to show you. And once they create their own account, you can start trading. And we'll talk about trading in another episode. But till then, you have to be in the game to play. A lot of times, man, we want to do things. We want to be in these arenas where they have different things, and we want to diversify. But if we're not inside the game, man, we can't win. And being part of the stock market that's where the money's at. Not only that, man, if you pay attention, a lot of the wealth comes from real estate and stock market. And it's one of them things that you just have to, you invest in, and from there you let your money work for you. You know, we have to get out this mindset where we're constantly having our money work for us. Where we're working for our money. We want the money to work for us. And even myself, man, that's something I'm becoming more and more diligent about. It's just letting the money work for us. Every month I look forward to now scaling back, man, on my spending and putting more money into investing. And once I start putting more money into investing, I get to watch my money work for me. What's up, brother Shaun? We got you back.
Yeah, but we're still on the phone, man. I don't know what's going on, brother. I don't know. This is just one of them.
Okay. With that being said, I'm gonna see if I can try to talk you through it. I don't know if they're gonna let me set up two accounts. But we'll see what we can do.
What you can do if to make it simple and make it worthwhile for the customer, for the people listening out there and watching, you don't have to use your information. You can use mine, and we can put all the information in the chat.
Okay, let's do it that way.
Yeah,
So,
that way they get the real experience of what it is.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, so some of that information I'm gonna need it in the chat. So let's go on and just sign you up. Let's see if we can sign you up. Clicking on the link. Let me do this. Paste into. Okay, sign up. Let's see if we can get you signed up. Okay, so I'm gonna put in some of this information. You got access to your email that you're gonna use, Brother Shaun?
I do, brother. The Shaun Davis 517 at Gmail.
Okay, there we go. And for this, I'm gonna need you to put it inside the private chat or text me so we can do this password for you.
Already on it, brother.
Okay.
I'm putting in the chat now.
Okay. And these terms, let's go through these terms. You got to tell me that you agree to these terms.
I agree.
Okay. And it's going to ask you once you get down there if you want they send a weekly newsletter. So I'm not sure if Dr. Chris is still doing it, but what Dr. Chris was doing was he had sent out a weekly newsletter and he would tell you what he's going to be doing in regards to the market. So let me see if I can do this. Okay, good. So in regards to the market, he would tell you, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going in at this price and I'm exiting at this price. And he usually give us a couple of tips in regards to what he's doing. If you're not part of the BWO, if you're part of the BWO, you actually get to watch him and we teach and talk about this. But if not, if you're part of the Wealth Standard Exchange, you will be getting a newsletter. And sometimes he's generous enough to give us some tip plays. If not, he just tell you what's going on with the market. So once you get part of the BWO, which is another course, if you're interested, you can just hit me up and I can give you another link to that. But right now, for this purpose, I'm just going to show you how to sign this up. Sign yourself up. Brother Davis, I'm still waiting on that password.
It's coming now, my brother.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to put something in the chat. I just need you to verify if this is what you want.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Just send it to you, brother.
Okay. No, what I just posted, is that the correct password?
Oh, yes. Okay. I'm sorry. Misunderstood you there. Yes.
Put that in there. And how would you want to send it to you? You want them to email it or send you a text message with the newsletter?
You can send a text message.
Okay, so we're going to take this off. Email you all. Let me make the screen look bigger because I want to make sure you all can see all this. There we go. So here he wants text message. So we go put text message for Brother Davis and we're going to sign him up. And then from here, you go get to this email and he's going to get an email through his phone. I don't know if that's going to work, brother, because it's probably go.
Kick me off.
Let's see. See if you can confirm your email. Let's see.
It pulls it back over to StreamYard. So what I'll do is this. I'm going to drop off for a hot minute, confirm it, and then come back.
Okay. Do that. So while Brother Shaun is doing that, once again, you can go to WSX Pro. I'm going to put this inside the link. Oh, man. Here we go. So to those that's listening and following, what we're doing today, we're setting up a brokerage account through the Wealth Standard Exchange, which is an exchange that Dr. Chris Cole came up with, which is actually one of the very first, I think probably the only Black-owned cryptocurrency exchange server. But what makes this exchange so unique is you can exchange what makes it so unique is you got crypto, you got stocks, you got bonds, you got a whole bunch of other things that you can trade on this one platform. So, for example, like with my crypto, I go to Coinbase and some of the other exchanges. When I want to buy stocks, I got to go to TD Ameritrade, Ali, Robinhood, whoever I'm using. But the good thing with SX that I like about it is everything is in one place. So here on out, I'm going to be doing more trading on WSX Pro because there's only one platform. I'm not going to 2 or 3 different platforms, which makes it good. And then also it's more secure. Once you get inside the WSX Pro, we use what's called the MetaTrader. And all the stuff that I'm telling you about, you'll be to find. The MetaTrader is where you pretty much go exchange your money to the server. And then from the server, you start doing your trading. Pretty robust system. So our brother Shaun is doing that. Waiting for him to come back to verify his email. And then we go through the process of setting this up. And it's really, once again, you all, it's a very easy process. You don't have to use this server if you don't want to. They have TD Ameritrade. They have Ally. They have and there's so many of them. Fidelity. You can just type in the different brokers and go with that. Was you able to confirm it?
Confirmed it, set. So you can log in, brother, and take off with it.
Okay, let's get in here. See if we can get in there. So log in. Let's see if we can get brother Shaun in here. Shaun, let me see. We're not saving it because we're putting his. Okay, email. Get that password that you sent. Oh man. Okay. Let me see if this password gonna work. This password may not work. I think I put exactly what you sent to me.
Okay. What is it saying?
Let me see. Okay, yeah, let me try this. I think exactly what I sent to you is the password. Let me see. That's why I asked you to verify. Yep. So, brother, when you go in there, you go. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go in there and change it. Let me do that.
That's fine with me, brother.
Okay, let me go in there and change it. Pink. Okay, do that. And you got to verify your phone number too. And let's see, brother Shaun, is this your number? I don't think so. Let's see.
886-5180. You got it, brother.
Say it again. 918.
886-5180.
Okay, let me do this. Give it to me again.
918-886-5180.
You know, you can give everybody your number across the World Wide Web.
That's all right. I ain't worried about it. I know how to put no.
Now, brother, if you look at your phone, you should get a code. Give me that code so I can input it for you.
That code is 104033.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, what make this even better is once again, you see how secure it is. Very secure. So let me go in here and try to change my brother's password because I put the wrong password. See if we can do that. Settings. To generate your PIN, we don't want to do that. Just want to change the password. Okay, and enable the 2.0. Okay. My accounts. Okay, should be in these settings.
For now, we can do that later, brother. We just want to show them everything. So you can keep on with that. We can change that later.
Okay. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, as you see, we literally just set up Brother Davis's brokerage account. So right here, you go to the dashboard, and from here, what you'll do, you'll make a deposit. So for example, you go right here, we hit deposit, and
it's in the chat.
Okay, so what happened? I wasn't expected to run into this. So let me show you something. So for example, oh man, so we're just gonna keep it right here. I'm not gonna make this too complicated. So brother Shaun, in your Coinbase account, you have to go in your Coinbase account.
Mm-hmm.
You will do a deposit into this account. So what you do, you'll go here, and you hit Bitcoin, and you select the wallet, which is going to be United States dollars because we're going to use that, and you'll put the amount that you're going to deposit. So we just say for $10, and let me see if it's going to be redirect you to which page. All right, enable two-factor authentication performance. So in regards, before we go any further, they want us to enable the two-factor thing, which is once again is good. And Brother Shaun, for security purposes, right now I'm gonna just do the SMS. And
Yes.
if you want to come back in, you can put the Google Authenticator. So it gives you the option. I prefer the 2FA SMS because sometimes that Google Authenticator, man, gets off track and you got to go back and do that. And with that being said, I got some stuff lost there in crypto space because of the FA. But once again, we'll leave that alone. That's the Google Authenticator app. What's that code they just sent you?
This one is going to be 337083.
And ladies and gentlemen, we're doing this via live, but usually you don't have to worry about this because it'll be your phone. But the good thing about this is it shows you how secure it is. So for someone to get into this account, they really need your phone and they need your password. So for them to get into both of those, you gave them full access. For the most part, can't no one just get into this account. If Brother Shaun wasn't here, I couldn't get into his account. So we got that enabled. So let me go back because we may not end up doing the deposit. But what's going to happen, you'll come up with your accounts here. Once we get the money in there, you can trade. Then you'll have your dashboard. Once you get your dashboard, then you would do your internal transfer. So right now, the way Dr. Cole got this set up is kind of ingenious because you have your money on here, but to actually start trading, you have to trade it to another wallet. And that wallet is a more secure wallet that you can then buy your stocks on. So in the chat, I'll put another link where you can check into it. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the easiest thing that you can do is set up an account. So right now, Brother Shaun's account is set up. It's not funded, but it's set up where he can go in there and deposit money. And then from there, he can start investing into the market.
Now, see how easy that is, folks? You know, we would have walked this through a different way, but I'm having some technical difficulties on my end this evening. But this is just a way to show you how easy it is to just start your investment journey and figure out what is best for you. Make some money, make your money, make money for you. And this is the best way to do it.
So, Brother Shaun, FYI.
Yes, sir.
Once you transfer your crypto over, you go here and you hit MT4 ECN. They got MT4 demo. The MT4 demo is very good, ladies and gentlemen. What I like about the demo, it actually lets you trade, play the stock market. But as you're playing the stock market, it's a demo version, so you're not losing any money. So you're pretty much playing with fake money until you feel comfortable in getting into the market. Once you feel comfortable, you go here and hit this. And once again, we're dealing in U.S. currency, so it's USD. And you say $50. Let's say $50. You decide to put $50 in there. Then from there, you create your account. Now, the reason why we can't create our account because we haven't deposited anything to the account to fund it. But that's how you would do to fund this account. And then from there, you will see your balance down here. Now, I'm going to log out of my brother's, and I'm going to bring up mine and see if I can show you a little bit more in detail. Quick minute, just a quick minute.
Before you do that, brother, right quick, I had a question that some might have out there.
Okay.
So you have to have a crypto wallet or you have to have Bitcoins, in other words, to fund this, or can you fund it, the first deposits with your bank account or your credit card?
Well, for this particular exchange, you can only use Bitcoin.
Okay.
They don't have the ability or the feature in here to take your debit card and credit card. Now, some people may say that's bad. It depends on how you look at it. I would tell you, I think that's very good because once again, everything is secure. You're not whipping out your debit card or your credit card. You're going to another secure account and you're transferring that money to another secure account. And the good thing about the blockchain, once again, the blockchain is all about security. So before your money even goes somewhere else when you're using cryptocurrency, it has to go through many blockchains. And those blockchains is a digital algorithm that want to make sure who you say you are before that money transfer. So the good thing about it is it's very secure compared to cash. So a lot of the big corporations and hedge funds, they're going to these systems right here, and this is what they're using. A lot of people are using systems. As you notice, man, we're becoming a cashless society where many people don't want cash. And this is part of it. So in regards to my brother's questions, no, you can't use your debit card for this one. But if we was doing TD Ameritrade or Fidelity, something like that, yes, you can. This is kind of a new age technology, I would say. It's not really new, but to those that don't know, it will seem like it's new, but this is straight digital to digital. And this is where the world is moving to, people. So either you get with it or you stay left behind. And bottom line, the world is moving. I'm sincere. The world is moving.
It is, and you have to get on board. Now, my brother, do me a favor. Tell the folks out there who are not familiar with the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency how they can get in touch with you to get that coaching or that one-on-one time so they can get a better understanding of it.
That's a good point. You all, if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrency, you can go to the Real Man Coaching. Let me put that in there, Real Man Coaching.
Yeah.
And don't book the business session with me. Just book Power of the Minds. And that's an hour conversation for only, I think, $75. And that hour, I'm going to show you how to set up everything in regards to your crypto. Okay. Now, once again, I'm highly encourage you all. Once again, I'm not no financial advisor. I'm not no CPA. I'm only talking about my experience. You want to go ahead and get you a Coinbase account or get you some type of crypto account. Because once again, the world is moving. I've been doing this since 2016. And I got into it when people were saying this was a fad. I'm talking about major economics. If you look at the stock market, you see crypto on there. If you go to your Robinhood, you see crypto is everywhere. It's not going nowhere, man. And the dollar is constantly dropping. So I'm not trying to instill fear. I'm not trying to persuade anyone. I just want to encourage you and inform you. This is the new world order when it comes to just money. The money is going digital. And if you're not part of this, it's going to be hard to operate in the near future with cash because everything is, even your direct deposits cash. Many people don't even get paper checks no more. So just take heed and let's get with it.
You know what, brother? You're giving folks the information they need and encouraging them to make the moves that they should, which is what we're all about. We're providing the opportunities and the information that we can help our fellow people out there. So, again, if you guys have any other questions, just reach out to them and schedule that time to sit down with them and have that one-on-one. That way you get a better understanding of what this Bitcoin offers. And these Ameritrade and this WSX, man, this is nothing, I don't want to say like brain surgery, but it is a little something you have to understand. And this is the man that can get you that understanding.
Man, thank you very much, brother. And that's like, as Brother Shaun said, that's what we're about. We are about here helping and just want to inform you and bring value to you. Before you call me, make sure you have your Coinbase set up, okay? Set up things so I can help you much better. If you're calling me to set up your Coinbase account, I know I misspoke and said it early. I would show you about cryptocurrency, but I can't show you how to set up Coinbase. It's too easy. You can go to YouTube and pull it up, or you can pretty much look at this video, but there's other things I can show you that's going to bring you more value than setting up a Coinbase account. And that's the time that I want with you. But if you want to spend a whole hour with me showing you how to set it up, I can do that. But I'm telling you, you can do it yourself, and you can use that other hour picking my brain on other things that's going to make you more money or make you more informed about crypto.
Yes, sir.
Annette, Brother Shaun, I don't have nothing else for the amazing people. Do you have anything before we get out of here?
Again, just my apologies, everyone out there, and to my brother. Technical difficulties ran a little just overwhelming this evening, but hey, no, I am fine. People, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for just being our friends and just sitting and letting us talk amongst each other, and you guys just be a fly on the wall, so to speak. We love that idea, and we love that what we do is helping you, because helping you helps us. Just remember, we are here for each other, and the more you love each other, the better we can love each other as a whole. Love is only good when it is given purely. You guys have a wonderful evening.
Have a good evening, and go subscribe. Hit us up.
Subscribe. Hit us up.
Welcome to Houston's Notary, the fastest and most efficient mobile notary service. Houston's Notary pride itself on following up with their customers and making them feel at ease. Houston's Notary has the finest notaries that provides many services such as loan closings, fingerprints, cash outs, affidavits, wills, trust, power of attorneys, employment verification, documents for immigration, and legal documents. Wow! So many services that all you have to do is call. Toll free 1-844-292-5562 or 713-956-6485 or visit houstonsnotary.com. Let us be your notary.
Many people are tired of typical pharmaceutical drugs that have major side effects and causes addictions. The federal government has legalized CBD in all 50 states. CBD binds to the CB pain receptors in your body. The Houston Health and Wellness Company offers many products that can help you immensely. The consumer favorite gummies are delicious edibles that you can take and attain immediate relief. The tincture is a CBD product in liquid form that you place under your tongue that also comes in a variety of flavors. For those aching joints and muscles, Houston CBD has a full-spectrum salve with various all-natural ingredients that will help provide relief. They even have CBD for dogs. Yes, CBD for dogs. Botana oil from Dr. Sebi's Usha Village. It's an all-natural oil from the Botana plant that has been known to help hair grow at a rapid rate. It can be used as a moisturizer for your skin. Best of all, it's all natural. They also have elderberry syrup for your immune system. Go to www.houstonscbd.com. That's Houston with an S, CBD.com.